Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to fix an open-end zipper to a fully lined blouse and also how to have a seamless finish on the wrong side of the blouse. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothing Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. So I have here a back piece for the blouse and I've already fixed the lining to the exterior fabric at the hem and at the neckline. I left 1 inch opening at the center back of the blouse, at the hem and also at the neckline of the blouse. This is for the fixing of the zip. This is the other back piece. I also left 1 inch opening at the hem and also at the neckline of the blouse. I will now go ahead and mark out 1 inch for the zip allowance, which I added to the center back of the blouse. So this is the open end zipper. I will go ahead and fix it to the center back of the blouse, following the 1 inch zip allowance, which I've already marked out. I'll be fixing it to the exterior fabric only. To fix the zip, I will place the right side of the zip on the right side of the outer fabric at the center back. So the first thing I will do is to change the regular machine foot to a zipper foot. So this is the zipper foot. This is the open end zipper. I'll fix the zip to the center back of the blouse. So I will open up the zipper completely like this. I will place the right zipper on the right side of the outer fabric with the zipper teeth facing the inner part of the fabric and not the center back. I will start sewing from the hem of the blouse because I want the excess zipper tip to be at the neckline where I can easily trim it off. Of course, I will start sewing from the lower part of the zipper too. The zip will start just before the seam allowance at the hem of the blouse. I will now go ahead and stick the zip in place following the 1 inch zip allowance, which I have already marked out on the fabric. So now I'm done with this side. So this is the second back piece, and I will also fix the second zipper tape to it. But first, I will change the zipper foot to the other side. So I'll make sure that the zip starts just before the seam allowance at the hem, and I'll pin it in place to secure it. I will start stitching about 1 inch away from the end of the zipper because of the metal stopper, which will disturb the sewing. I will come back later to finish it off. So now I will finish sewing 1 inch opening that I left at the end of the zipper. Well, first I will change the zipper foot to the other side of the foot before finishing the stitching. So now I have fixed the zip to the center back of the exterior fabric only. What I will do now is to close the 1 inch opening at the hem of the blouse and also at the neckline at the center back of the blouse. So I will close this opening on both sides at the hem, on both sides at the center back. This 1 inch opening like this. I will follow the previous stitch line at the hem. I will also close the 1 inch opening at the neckline. I will also follow the previous stitch line at the neckline. So after closing the opening, I will now stitch the lining to the exterior fabric at the center back, following the previous stitch line which I used to fix the zip to the exterior fabric. I will do the same thing for the other side as well. I will stitch following the previous stitch line after closing the opening at the hem and at the neckline of the blouse. So now the first thing I will do is to close the 1 inch opening at the neckline and also at the hem. Note that I'm still using my zipper foot. I will now go ahead and stitch the lining and the outer fabric together on the stitch line used to fix the zip to the other fabric. On this side I can't see the stitch line, so what I will do is to sew very close to the zipper teeth. I will use my finger as a guide to feel the teeth of the zipper so that I do not sew on it. I'll be very careful while doing this. So for this other side, I can see the stitch line, so I will sew directly on top of it. So now I'm done. I will now trim off the excess zipper tip like this. I will now turn the two back pieces to the right side. Now I will zip out the two pieces, the two back pieces. So this is the wrong side. Can you see this perfect seamless finish on the lining? So that's it guys, we're done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, drop a comment, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you so much for watching.